The ASRock Z790 Nova WiFi is a motherboard that other premium boards should aspire to be like. It's fitted with all the features of a premium high-end board, but without charging an excessive amount of money for them. The power delivery system is simply top-notch. The ASRock Z790 Nova WiFi has a 20-phase VRM configuration that can drive 90 amps of current through the dual 8-pin power connectors. Performing hardcore overclocking even on a Core i9-14900K is going to be no issue for this motherboard, and neither is RAM overclocking an issue. ASRock claims this board can hit DDR5 8000 megatransfers per second thanks to the 8-layer PCB. That is perhaps the highest RAM speed I have ever seen on any DDR5 board. The only board that comes to mind that claims 8,000 megatransfers per second is the MSI X670E Ace, which however is a very expensive motherboard at around $600. The I/O is excellent on the Z790 Nova WiFi, and you get ample USB ports. If we start counting, we get a total of 10 USB ports, of which there are just 2 USB 2.0 Type A ports, while the rest are a mix of 7 Type A and 1 Type C USB 3.2 ports. The rest of the I/O has a CMOS clear button, HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort 1.4, 2.5 gigabit Ethernet, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and high-quality headphone jacks with optical SPDIF. Storage enthusiasts can also rejoice because there are a whopping 6 M.2 SSD slots, 1 PCIe 5.0 and 5 PCIe 4.0, and 4 SATA 3 connectors. The ASRock Z790 Nova WiFi also supports Thunderbolt through an add-in card, which makes this the ideal gamers and content creators motherboard. Aesthetically speaking, the ASRock Z790 Nova WiFi is a stealthy-looking board with neon-like RGB glows, giving it a very futuristic look. The entire board is covered with heat sinks that prevent the board from being exposed, as well as keeping everything really cool. The PCIe expansion is basic, with a single PCIe 5.0x16 slot on the top, followed by another PCIe 4.0x16 slot and a PCIe 3.0x1 slot. The metal shield on the first and second slots makes the board look even more premium and should be copied by others. Compared to its competitors like the MSI Mag Z790 Tomahawk Max Wi-Fi and Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Elite X Wi-Fi 7, the ASRock is simply a better deal. Most mid-range motherboards like the Asus TUF Z790 Gaming Plus already have 16-phase VRMs. MSI and Gigabyte should have stepped up and matched ASRock's substantially more powerful 20-phase VRM, especially when charging a premium. The MSI Mag Z790 Tomahawk Max Wi-Fi offers a few more USB ports, but without support for Thunderbolt. All in all, the ASRock Z790 is one hell of a motherboard. It offers amazing performance and features that make up for its premium price, and even gives much more expensive motherboards a run for their money. To sum up what I like is the powerful VRMs, the excellent memory and storage expansion, the latest Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 support out of the box, and it supports Thunderbolt through an add-in card. On the downside, the BIOS flash button is missing. Our rating for VRM design is 9.5 out of 10. Features, 9.5 out of 10. Aesthetics, 9 out of 10. Value for money, 8 out of 10, for an overall rating of 9 out of 10.